Guys, episode 2, survival. Jackson. Be cool, brah. And ODST, X-Master.
Hey, what the fuck? You didn't say his number to my name. You got to his full name. It's called OGST.
Well, sorry.
If you're gonna say OGST X Master, at least call me Jackson 100 158. What the fuck?
Your name's too long, Jackson. I'm sorry.
I don't give a shit.
Well, guess what? You're gonna have to give a shit.
Oh, I don't.
Eventually in your life.
Oh, cool.
It might be,
Fuck. Not allowed on here. It's not just that. It's that weird thing that
We're kind of in the middle of a recording already.
yeah, seriously, what the fuck? How the hell do you expect us to get done with run recording if all you do is invite your friends? Hey, everybody appear offline. That way people don't send you messages.
Whoa, Jackson, what the fuck?
You could have us standing corners like this. Bitch, let me on my fucking trap door.
Move.
I'm on my trap door though. Let me have the trap door.
Put the fucking torch back.
Fuck off.
Fuck you. Give me that fucking torch.
Back, and all you do is break it. You're a fucking tortoise straight.
Oh, it is the answer on every occasion whenever it comes to Jackson.
Yeah. Hey, you weren't supposed to say true last. But I did win. I went and you did. Ready? What? Final stuff. Yeah. Okay, really, back at the room. Damn it, I can't find the fucking iron that was in here. What the hell? Oh no. It's so funny. We're all here arguing with each other. You're like, oh no, I don't know. It's just so funny though, because like you're arguing, and then you say, oh no, and it, oh my. These people don't get the same point I get. Get the hell up. No, I'm joking.
Where?
Oh, I just got 2 iron ores. Just like that. Get the hell up. The meat ain't got stuff. Okay. Time to get rid of carpet tape. If I was to make a house, I could make a really good house. Oh my god, if you come over here, I just found the red sheet. You fucking stop running. Yeah, look, red sheet. Red sheet.
I know you said rose red wool.
What the hell? What the hell?
Very nice, I'm already.
It's only darker than dark outside. And I'm out here fucking collecting red wool like a retard.
I'm collecting sugar. Join a club. Oh yeah, that's all the Philippines.
Whoa, what the heck are you doing?
Sugar.
I'm making stairs.
Seriously,
Right there.
fuck. They're having
All your stairs are cool.
This is exactly what I said. I'm gonna get stairs while your stairs are free.
Yeah, I'm gonna drop one.
I hope you fall off the
There.
stairs and die.
Ah, shit.
Did you fall off the stairs and die yet? Oh shit.
Oh,
well. Get over it. I want my red carpet.
Okay.
Perfect. So, I'm breaking off this dirt. This dirt underneath your feet. Yeah, see? Why the hell else am I putting red and and they're running.
Hey guys, I built us a sniping tower.
Fucking retard. There's no
Let me see.
snipers in
I
this
have
game.
to let me get up here.
Only golden arrows that you don't even know what's up.
Oh, I know how to get up here. It's not hard.
You know that animal camp or anything you call that?
Obviously not, or else you wouldn't fell off.
How do I get up there?
Here.
I got this thing.
Oh, there you go. Hey, you found it out.
I'm a zombie.
That just looks wrong. He turns around. What the fuck?
I'm a zombie.
Oh. Does anybody else have a perverted of a mind as I do?
No.
There's sure only one here.
See, what? All the way down there.
I can even do a zombie spawn down here.
Oh, cool. Well, go find it and see how long it takes
Under
to
the
fucking
house.
place torches. Oh, fucking mine down and find it. I told you that, damn it. How hard is it to do this? Not like
I don't want to
fucking
die.
zombies are... Hey, it's not like zombies are gonna magically bite you in your ass.
Oh wait, they will.
Climb down. I mean, you're... I don't care how you...
That guy.
Dang it, I missed.
All you gotta do is... Yeah.
Iron Rock. I have like 13 iron bullets.
Holy shit.
That's a...
Who fucking made lapis blocks? I was gonna use that lapis for something else.
Too late.
We still fine.
You know, get ran back into the
Oh my god. Who's making this freaking carpet? Holy shit. It's fucking wrong colors
I want
anyway.
my carpet, asshole.
No, it's red. It's freaking black and white is what it should have been. What the fuck?
Can it be red?
No! Jesus, this is why I said. Fuckers.
I think how me and you were like the only one.
Alright, you got a little bit back.
Holy shit.
Give me the block, and I can make give me the block.
Yeah! Right, now there's no horse there.
Freaking retards. And don't freaking build shit.
I want to build shit, so don't fucking tell me what I can't.
Here we go again, you two. Fight me 3.5.
Fight number 3.5.
This is fight number 17 and a half.
This is like fight fucking like 20.5.
My biggest fear is that YouTube's gonna see us we're fighting together instead of making it
Hey, we have friends that say we fight like we're married. It's pretty funny. Like, what? No.
I'm gonna be surprised if you're not married.
There, fuckers.
I got 13 iron. I'm rich.
No, you're not.
Keep joining. I have never done second iron.
You have to pay the iron. You lost on
So, for iron. What is it for iron?
I took 2 iron to make sure, so don't say it's full. Yeah, we still got the right carpet.
Well, yeah, because I don't have any freaking black wool right now.
Don't make it all red. What the fuck?
No, don't make it all red. Make it red and white. That's it. Red and white. That's it. Damn, Jackson, you're getting fucking shot at. Oh, Jesus, there's a creeper right at the front door, guys.
I'm not fucking retarded.
Here, I'll take him out.
I made cookies.
Okay, I got him trapped in the hole. Shoot.
Yeah.
Don't make cookies. I needed that freaking. Oh my God. I needed the cocoa beans. Okay, I'm gonna quit the server.
Hey, it ain't my fault. I'm too stupid to realize you can.
I even told both of you that I did not want to make anything.
Whoa. Shut up, kids. Shut up. Why do you need this fucking cookies?
Because I was gonna use them for later. God damn it.
Oh, you can make brown ones.
Yeah, but no.
You can make a necklace.
There's also creepers. There's another creeper. Oh, God.
Dude, I'm just bringing random freaking mobs in there.
Somebody just got gang raped outside.
Yeah, and it was not me. For once, it was actually not me.
I feel like going inside there and go back to my desk.
I will.
I don't see a creeper.
Yeah, look at this. They ain't even attacking me. How fucking good I
All
am.
little creepers follow me.
Fuck you. You get me killed. I get you hacked. Where they gone?
All little creepers. Don't blow up on me. Blow up on me.
I should make a wait for the mobs to get out.
All little creepers.
It's alright, mobs. It's alright.
I got 2 creepers coming in. God, get out the way. Get out the way. Wait, where's the other one? Oh, it's right there, right there. Come on. Yay, I got 2. Woo, the creeper inside the house.
Oh shit! Oh shit! You fuckers! Don't you dare! I'm taking these guys away. You guys better not freaking hit them. Holy shit! Oh my God! Frick! You guys suck! I've been chased for like 7 mobs, you faggot!
Damn, I'm laughing so hard I'm fucking about choking.
What the fuck?
I'm sorry, fuck.
You fucker! You fucker!
It was too funny to read this.
You fucker!
Bunch of creep.
You fucker!
It was too funny, I'm sorry.
It's not me.
Yeah, you know what? That is it.
2 creepers in there.
Too bad. Whoa. That's Eddie mocking, you bitch. As soon as you stop and turn around, you're getting gang raped. There's like 3 creepers.
Actually, I don't have to turn around. You know why? I got the F3 mode.
Yay, I got, what do you call it?
Oh yeah, we even got a creeper to help us out. Come on, creeper, run.
It should have counted.
Damn it.
Should have counted. 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 Should have co
You killed a friend of mine, so I kill you, bitch. How it goes.
Ah, damn it, fucker.
Sorry about your house. It was too funny.
Well, shit, guys. You guys have to fix this.
What is the game?
Yeah.
Bye!